Psychology of colors in makeup. Blue. The color blue inspires clear and patient communication. If you want to go to a party or workplace and you are stressed, it is better to use blue in your makeup. Purple. Purple is a unifying color and helps you when you feel weak or defeated, so use purple for your makeup when you want to keep your energy. Yellow. If you use this color in your makeup, you should know that you are an intelligent person and you like to be more determined in your decisions. Orange. This color in makeup shows the power of your creativity and high imagination, and people who use this color avoid laziness and have high motivation. These people have a high sexual desire and are very impatient. Green. Green dominates all emotional thoughts and is a harmonious color that gives you a sense of calm and balance in relation to the people around you. If you use green for makeup, you have a friendly look at those around you. Red. The use of red in makeup reflects self-confidence, health, strength and endurance, and its use will increase love, energy, and self-confidence. Follow and subscribe us for more video.